Brianna here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be creating 2 slimes to make a stress ball. Let's get started. To make your slime, you will need 2 different types of glues, a jar, chunky glitter, a mixing tool, 2 plates, and detergent. I will be pouring 3 ounces of glitter glue into this plate. Now I'm pouring 2 ounces of white regular school glue. Adding an ounce of detergent to my plates. This is really pretty. It's like a light blue teal, and this is all glittery, which looks really pretty, and it looks like all mix up of colors, and I love it. It's a really nice color. I'm going to use plastic food wrap to make a stress ball. I'm using 1 layer of plastic food wrap. Make a knot. Hey guys, and you see my stress ball? It's so pretty. It feels really nice. This helps you when you're stressed out. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed making our stress ball. Give me a thumbs up, watch this video over and over again. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and share down below. And don't forget to turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching. Bye!